Print of student how. Okay, I have given print of student of age. Now if I print, I'm going to get Ira and 20. This is how you want to access the value. Okay, using the keys, you can access the value. You see, now you're getting the answers. Accessing another value, say print of student of age, that will be output. Okay, this is how you want to access the value. And next is using get. Okay, get function. Okay, using get. If you want to access the values, you can also use get here. Student is equals to name, Rahul, age 20, and this is all same dictionary. And if you want to access the values, print of student dot get. Okay, you should use dot get function. If you use dot get, you are going to get the same here. Okay, let me show that. See, instead of this, dot get. Okay, okay. If you use the same, you are going to get. Okay. Why use get here? If the key does not exist, get returns none instead of an error. Okay. Using get is very important. See, sometimes if the key does not exist, okay, the key does not exist, get returns none instead of an error. Okay, well, let us check here. See, I'm going to give you a city here. Okay, city. This key is not there in the my dictionary. Okay, it is not present in my dictionary, and I'm giving get here. Okay, let us see the answer now. See here, instead of giving error, it is giving none here. Okay, get is very important. See, if the key does not exist, now city is not existing in my dictionary, so get returns none instead of an error. Okay, this is very important. Okay, instead of showing error, it is showing none. Updating values. See, updating values. See, how to update your values. You can mutable, right? The dictionary is mutable. So you can update, change, whatever you can do. Student is equals to name, Rahul, age 20. This is the same. And student of age is equals to 21. See, we are accessing this key. Okay. Student of age is equals to this age. I want to update, replace with the 20 to 21. Okay. I want to replace with 21. So I am giving student of age equals to 21. Then I want to print this. Then we'll see how to update this. Just I'll remove this now. Print of age is equals to 21. Okay. Let us use it. Will it be fine? Equals to student. Okay. Now I have done. Next we'll print of student. We'll print the student. Okay, done. If I run, what is this? I done wrong. We should use square bracket. Okay. If I use that, I'm going to get name as Haira, age is 21. See, 20 is replaced by 21, right?